Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so let's make a pasta vegetable delight. So I looked in my refrigerator, and I had so many fresh vegetables, and I had spaghetti left over that was no sauce on it or nothing, just the pasta. And I said, you know what? I'm going to make a delight that you can never ever forget. I'm going to make that taste just pop. Okay? So why don't you join me and watch and see what I do. So that you'll know when you have a lot of vegetables, fresh vegetables in your refrigerator, and maybe some leftovers and some of this and some of that, that you can get some ideas of what to do with it. Because you know, we have to utilize everything because waste not, want not, and times are really hard now, okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. And remember, Grandma Ray is loving you. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to turn the fire on so that the pan can get hot. I have some olive oil here. Let's put some of that in there. You want to coat the bottom of the pan. Okay, so while that's heating up, why don't I show you what we're working with. So, we have onions cut up. This is 2 medium onions. This is a quarter of a bunch of cilantro, fresh cilantro. This is the little baby peppers. I had a bag of them. So this is about, I'd say maybe 8 of them. I cut them into slices. Okay. Then I have some garlic paste here that I made. Garlic paste. We're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. Some chicken broth. This is the spaghetti I had left over, so I took a knife and just chopped it up so it's in smaller pieces. And this is, they were very, very large mushrooms. This is about 4 large mushrooms. This is some mixed vegetables I have left over. This is some sofrito that I made from scratch. You can go over and check that video. Okay, so I've introduced you to everything that we're going to put in our frying pan. Alright, let's start with the onions and the peppers. We'll let the onions cook for about 2 or 3 minutes first. Okay, so that's all broken up. I'm going to put the top on it to produce steam so it'll cook faster and the flavors will lock in there. Okay, so I hope this experience today will help you to understand things that you can do with your leftovers, okay? Because if you don't use fresh vegetables, they'll go bad. And so you need to use them. Okay. So we're going to let that cook for 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, so let's check on our onions. Okay, now we're going to add our peppers. I have, the colors is orange, yellow, and red. Pretty colors. Okay, and I'm going to cover that for another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the mushrooms. I think I want a little oil on there because it looks like it's all just about gone. Okay, just a little. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for 2 minutes, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so our peppers have been cooking for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add some garlic paste. I'm going to add 1 heaping teaspoonful. I'm just going to mix that in. Okay. Now we're going to add some chicken base, okay? Another heaping teaspoonful. So that's 1 heaping teaspoon of chicken base and 1 heaping teaspoon of the garlic paste. Alright, so now we're going to start adding the other items. We're going to add the mushrooms. We're going to add the veg, well, wait before I add that, because I want to add that last. This is my sofrito that I made from scratch. You can check out that video. Okay, I put 3 heaping tablespoons of sofrito in. Okay, let's put the cilantro in. And the mixed vegetables. Okay, now we're going to add our spaghetti that we have that was left over and then we cut up, okay? This is about 1/4 of a box, 1/4 of a pound. I'll put some oil over that. Then I'm going to add some Sassoon seasoning. Some black pepper. Okay, I'm going to let that come up to temp while I give you the word of the day. Okay, so the word of the day. The word of the day is choices. We all make choices. Some of our choices are good, some of them are bad, and some of them we can live with it when we think about it, which means it's probably okay. So when you make a bad choice, are you okay with that? Do you really want to go down your legacy as a person who didn't make wise choices? There's lots of people that are watching you, okay, that want to follow you because some parts of you they admire. So just remember, when you make choices, try to make good ones. Try to make the best ones because you could help somebody in their journey, okay? Because they may admire you in some sort of way. Okay, choices, that's the word of the day. Okay, so let's check on our dish, shall we? Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, we're ready to put the final touch on there. Add some Parmesan cheese. You add the Parmesan cheese last because you don't want it to start sticking on the bottom of the pan and start burning. So you want it just at the end so that you can taste it and see if you need any final touches and be done. Okay, let me taste it. Let's see what we need. Okay. I think I need some salt and a little more sassoon. Okay, I put the sassoon in. There's the salt. Okay, I'm going to cut the fire off. I'm going to put that in a dish for you to see, and I'll taste it for you, okay? Thanks for hanging around. Okay, guys, look at that. How about that, huh? All from some fresh vegetables and leftover pasta. Goes to show you, you don't have to let your vegetables go to waste. You can be very creative. Okay, 1 second, let me adjust the camera. Okay, guys, let's taste. Look at that. Huh? There we go. All the flavors, guys. Whoa. That's good. I'm gonna eat that immediately right now. It's really good. Really, really good. So go ahead, make your pasta creation. I gave you some ideas. You can do the rest, okay? Alright. Thanks for hanging around. Thanks for sharing the video for me. I appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out my links below. Until next time, bye bye.